This week, the number of people hospitalized for COVID-19 in Wisconsin reached its lowest point since that data has started to be tracked.
It's another sign of just how far the state has come in its fight against the virus. CBS 58's Victor Jacobo is live outside Frederick Hospital with reaction to this milestone. Victor?
A little over 6 months ago, hospitals like Frederick were overwhelmed with COVID-19 patients. Now, hospitals statewide are experiencing their lowest levels of COVID hospitalizations since last April.
And that is certainly a milestone worth celebrating as we come out of what has been a very challenging 14 months.
The Wisconsin Hospital Association has tracked several data points throughout the pandemic, an effort it believes has made a valuable impact in informing the state.
So we decided to lean in early in the pandemic, back in April, to help inform our response to what was a growing crisis at that time.
Hospitalizations hit 186 statewide this week, the lowest since the WHO started tracking those numbers in April of last year. It's also a steep drop from the peak in the state when more than 2,200 people were hospitalized for COVID in November of 2020.
We know why that decreases. It's because of vaccinations. It's because more and more people in our community continue to go out and seek vaccines.
Doctors at UW Health in Madison told CBS 58 the low hospitalization numbers are a sign of the success of vaccines, but warned the pandemic is far from over.
The fall is typically the season, of course, when all respiratory viruses are at their florid rates, and so I think we expect that will be the case for SARS-CoV-2 as well. If it doesn't happen, that'll be great, but we are preparing as though it is likely that we will see a circulating virus around that time.
Now today, hospitalizations, according to the Wisconsin Hospital Association, ticked up slightly, but still very low compared to the peak and the earlier parts of the pandemic. The WHO told me that they have no plans of shutting down their COVID-19 dashboard, as they believe it will still be a valuable tool going forward. Reporting live outside Frederick, Victor Jacobo, CBS 58 News.